Hi, I'm Lauren from Kids Create, and today we're going to be making mason jar ice cream, the easiest ice cream that has no churning, and we're going to show you how to make 3 ingredients with my mom. Let's get started. And so we're making mason jar ice cream today, the easiest ice cream ever, and I'm making the ice cream, she's making chocolate. And first we're going to start with a half cup heavy cream. Just pour it into your mason jar. Oh, and I do prefer a wide mouth. Just gonna fill up most of your mason jar, and that's okay. So to that half cup of heavy cream, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Make sure it gets right to the line. And then just pour it in.
Are you excited to try your ice cream?
Oh, and make sure you have the cheese and cream mashed up. There we go. Now it's done.
There you go.
Okay.
That's good. A little bit more. Perfect. That's good.
Now that we've got heavy cream and sugar, we're gonna add a quarter teaspoon of vanilla into our mix.
And then just a pinch of salt.
And there you have it. That's our ice cream.
Now it's time to shake. So let's put your cap on, Lauren.
And you want to shake for 3 minutes straight, no longer and no shorter. This really works if you have a timer.
All right, start shaking. Now when you're shaking, you want to shake for 3 minutes, really good. If you shake it too much, it's gonna turn into butter, and we don't want that. So 3 minutes is about right. Okay, 3 minutes is up. All right, let's open them up. Now, what you're looking for is when you dip a spoon in, that just the back is covered. Should we give it a taste, Nora?
Yeah. Me too. Try.
All right. All right, so now we seal it back up. You gotta seal it up, you can't eat it yet. And now we are gonna go put these in the freezer for 3 hours, and we will have soft serve homemade ice cream.
We will have soft serve homemade ice cream.
All right, let's go put them in the freezer. All right, so our vanilla is done. Are we ready to try it? Drum roll, please. Oh, it looks good. Okay, hold on. So this is what it should look like. It's gonna be soft serve consistency. It's not too hard. Like Lauren said earlier, we definitely like to go with the wide mouth jars. It's really easy to get out. But this is a great serving of ice cream. So you ready to try it?
I want to hold it.
Go ahead. How is it? This is the best homemade ice cream. And we've got cookies and cream and chocolate.
I would really like to try mint chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chip would be amazing.
I would like to try Superman. Yep.
Superman?
Or Blue Moon.
Or Blue Moon?
Thank you for watching our video. It's really fun and easy with 3 threes. 3 minutes of shaking, 3 ingredients, and 3 hours in the freezer. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite ice cream would be in a mason jar, and don't make it right now. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Hey guys, thanks for letting me be on Kids Create today. This was really fun.